Hello, good. Today, I want to talk to you about how to live an abundant life and how to remove the blocks that are stopping you from living your dream life or attracting your desires. So, we're going to talk about three major ways to remove the blocks that are stopping you from attracting your desires. The first one that we'll talk about is change your mindset. Change your mindset from a limited mindset to an abundant mindset. What does that mean to change your mindset? That means you should stop using certain words in your vocabulary like it's too expensive to do this, it's impossible to do this. There is nothing that's impossible with God. Everything is possible. You just have to become the person that's able to do that thing. So, for example, let's say I'm a single lady. I want to get him. I want to attract my soulmate. Now I can't say there are limited men out there. There are not good men out there. No, we have more than 7 billion people in this world, and how many of those billion men people are men? Of course, there must be a lot of men out there that are worthy and good, and that you don't even need that many men. You just need just one man. So there should be one man there that it is your perfect match. So stop limiting yourself and thinking there are not enough men out there. There definitely are enough. So are you acting as a woman that wants to get a man? If you want to get a man, what do you visualize a woman that wants to get a man? How do they act? How do they behave? How do they carry themselves? The number one trait that the research was found that the number one trait that men find attractive in a woman is confidence. So are you building up your confidence? And there's so many ways on how you can build up your confidence. For example, just reading a lot of books, learning new things, trying new things, all of that will increase your confidence. So the first way to attract a desire will be become the person that you want to become or you desire yourself to become, and start acting like that person for sure. Change your mindset. Know that there's abundance in everything that you want. Stop limiting your mindset. For example, don't think that if you get something somebody else will not get. We have infinite amount of everything on earth. It doesn't serve you to try to bring down yourself or limit yourself and not go for what you really want. So that will be the first one. The second one is, are you somebody that's worthy of what you really want? Do you find yourself worthy of the thing that you really desire? If you don't, then try to make yourself worthy of what you really want. For example, again, if you're still someone that's looking for a partner, do you see yourself worthy of getting a man in your life? What does that mean to you to be a wife to somebody? If whatever that means to you, how are you dressing? How do you present yourself out there? You want to start being worthy by making sure that you look like somebody that somebody else can take as a partner or can attract as a partner. Also, you want to be speaking things that are coming out of your mouth like someone that's looking for a partner. Don't say there are not enough men out there. For sure, there's billions of men out there. So there must be at least one man that will be your match. And they say you always attract who you are. So who are you? You always will attract the exact person that you are. Let's say if you want to attract a millionaire, let me put that way. If you want to attract somebody that's very wealthy, of course you have to also make yourself wealthy internally. You might not be wealthy out externally, and wealth doesn't only mean money anyway, but then are you a perfect match that a millionaire can look at you and say, oh, that's the person that I want? Because if you're not getting what you want, look at who you are first. Are you the person that can attract that? Like Steve Harvey had made a statement one time. She said when they ask girls on what's your quality of a man, they'll tell you they want a six-pack man, they want a medical doctor. And he said medical doctors meet other medical doctors when they are in medical school. So are you currently going to medical school that you can be able to meet a medical doctor? Or are you going to the gym to be able to attract a six-pack man? So those are the kind of things that says you should be worthy of what you want. Try to get yourself to that level. And then the third point will be learn to connect to your feminine energy. I'm a licensed feminine energy coach. I also teach people on inner work, how to build yourself and grow yourself. If you want to connect with me, go to growwealtheasy.com. What do I mean by connecting to your feminine energy? Your feminine energy is the vibration, the energy that you vibrate. Everybody has a vibration. So imagine the feeling that you get when, let's say, they tell you that you won a lottery. You feel so happy, so peaceful, and so just so genuine. So try to be always happy. Try to get yourself, TB Jake said, you want to start your party and invite other people to come join you in your party. Don't look for external happiness. Start the happiness inside you. What kind of person are you? If you want to get a happy person, you want to first of all be that happy person. Don't rely on other people to make you happy. That will be the third one. So always be the person that you really would like other people to be to you. And also connect to your feminine energy. Do things that make you feel happy. Do things that make you feel worthy. And also know that there's abundance for everybody. By you getting what you want, it doesn't stop another person from getting exactly what they want. God is an infinite God. And also, I will add an extra one, which will be keep an open mind. A lot of us get restricted on how we want our desires. For example, let's say I want to be making a certain amount of money, I want to save a certain amount of money. I don't only have to have that through my job. I could keep an open mind. What if this money is coming to me any other way? I could get it through a gift from a family member. I could get it through a business that I started, a side hustle. I could get it also through my job. So just keep an open mind as to how you want to attract your desire. Don't limit yourself that, oh, I want this and I want this only in a certain way, because God is an unlimited God and He has so many ways He can bless you. Also, it applies also to those of you who are looking for a partner. You can stick to one person and say, I want to get married and I want to get married to this particular person. If you do that, you're restricting your options and you're restricting God. Keep an open mind. If my desire is to get married, I'm open to get married, and I'm open to get married to whatever person that the Lord decides to send my way. Then that way it's going to be easy for God to bless you with your desire. If this video was helpful to you, please go to my website, growwealtheasy.com, and sign up for my one-on-one coaching program. You can also follow me on YouTube, Eveline Sofi. Thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Bye.